And today we're making pasta.
Do you know what kind of pasta we're making today? Ravioli. So nice filled pasta with lemon and ricotta. We might need to roll our sleeves up because we're going to get a little bit
messy. I love messy.
So we've got our 00 flour and we're going to sift it in this big sifter, but you don't have to do that. That's just an extra thing to make it nice and soft. We've got our eggs and we've got our salt. So it's going to have lemon, ricotta and a beautiful butter sage sauce. So let's put that, that's 300 grams of 00 flour. Now we're going to add a pinch of salt. Perfect. We're going to make a volcano. Can you put your whole it's in the volcano and make a big circle? That looks amazing because what do we have to put in here?
Eggs.
Eggs. So we're going to crack 2 whole eggs and another egg. What we're going to do is first we're going to crush the eggs. Can you use the fork to crush the eggs? Beautiful. And then, can I just show you? We're going to quickly whisk them up together.
Why?
We want them to all nice and be really well incorporated. And then we're going to slowly bring in a little bit of flour at a time and keep whisking. Slowly bring it in. Oh, it's getting thicker, isn't it? Once the middle bit of the dough is really nice and thick and the fork isn't really helping, we're going to move on to the bench scraper. Get all that flour on top of that sticky egg. And it looks like a lot of flour, but it's gonna all incorporate really nicely. So, and you can use your hands, the fun bit. Good. Very good. This is so much fun getting some more of this flour in. And if it's looking a little bit dry, what do you think we could add?
Water.
Oh, good, that's right. Put a touch of water. Perfect. And knead over so it stays nice and smooth. Yeah. So put your thumb in and then push it over here so we're always folding it in kind of the same spot. We're going to cover with a bowl and let it rest for half an hour. We are back. So our pasta, should we take a look?
Yeah.
Our dough's been resting. Stuck to the bowl. Beautiful and soft. And now we're going to make our filling. Do you want to go through the ingredients?
Ricotta.
Yes.
Eggs.
Yes.
Lemon. Pepper. Salt. Nutmeg. And parmesan.
You're going to put the ricotta. So let's put that in. And this is our filling.
Who has to squash it?
Yeah. Do you want to squash it with a spoon?
Yes.
Some parmesan finely grated. 2 egg yolks. In that goes. And now we're going to do some grating. So we're just getting the zest. We're going to use the juice in the sauce. And the zest just makes it beautiful and sunshiny. And some nutmeg. Nutmeg and ricotta are really good friends. Some salt, not too much because there's parmesan. Can you do the pepper for me? Good grinding. It looks beautiful. Super nice and smooth. And well, you can smell the lemon. What's that, honey? Here's our dough and we're ready to go. And because we've added 3 eggs, we're going to cut it into thirds. Do that, we're going to cover it back up. Can you flatten it for me?
How about we get rolling?
Oh yeah, we could get the rolling pin. Perfect. We're going to put it in the pasta machine.
No.
Yeah, do you want to come and help me? Keep going. Good job. Right, and now we're going to give it a quick fold. Just to make it nice and strong. And you want to do this a few times. We're going to go back on number 1. And we're just going to go all the way up this time. Keep going. And then number 3. And every pasta machine is different. So we're going to go to quite a fine setting. Alright, so we've rolled our pasta dough and we've trimmed the edges. They're really nice and thin. So I'm going to do the first few and show you, okay, Haru? So we're going to get a tablespoon-ish of the filling and just pop it here closer to one side. Is it my turn? Thank you. Then what we're going to do, we can kind of paint some egg white around if we think the pasta's dried out a little bit, just so we make sure it sticks. You ready? Yeah. We're gonna flip it over and make sure all the air, so we're gonna press in between. We're gonna cut with a little bit of a border, so maybe like here. ready to go. We're going to dust it with a little bit of flour. Dust, dust, dust. And these are ready to cook in boiling salted water, and we're going to serve it with a beautiful butter and sage butter and sage sauce, maybe with some hazelnuts. It's not super burnt butter. I quite like it still nice and golden. Does it look good?
Yummy.
Yummy. How is it?
We're finished.
And if you want to make a meal to remember with your family, you can find the full recipe for my ravioli on australianeggs.org/meal to remember.